How to add calendar to your Google Calendar. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add other calendars to your Google Calendar. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in calendar.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button on your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Google Calendar. Here now, to add a calendar, you'll be able to locate other calendar options at the bottom left. Next to it, you'll be able to see the plus button. Click on this plus button and from this drop down, select new calendar option. Now you can set up your personalized calendar. Enter the name for your calendar, add a description and then select your time zone. Once doing that, now you can click on this create calendar button at the bottom and then you'll be able to add calendar to your Google Calendar. Now you can click on this arrow at the top left and return back. Here you'll be able to see you have successfully added calendar to your Google Calendar. So by following these steps, you should be able to add calendar to your Google Calendar. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.